Check out this Ford 2016 F-150 Platinum. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, voice-activated navigation, equipment group 701A luxury, FX4 off-road package, technology package, trailer tow package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.